An old woman sat in her garden each morning, watching the same bird return to the same branch. The bird never sang. It would land, fold its wings, and simply rest there in the early light. One morning, a neighbor asked her, "Why do you watch a bird that does nothing?" The woman did not answer right away. She kept her eyes on the branch. "I used to wonder that too," she said softly. The bird tilted its head, catching the first warmth of the sun. The woman closed her eyes and felt the same warmth on her face. When she opened them again, the bird was still there, and so was she.